Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix we restrict certain activity on Instagram. So let's have a look now. If you are seeing this error, this means that Instagram's AI has concluded that it's possible you could be a bot and want to test you. They freeze your account from being able to like, follow, comment, and post. Their goal is to see if you stop up or keep trying to carry out functions over and over. The best way to work around the error is to stop posting to Instagram for a couple of days. This does mean no publishing, no following, and unfollowing. If you have tried this method, taking a break from posting on Instagram and 2-3 days later you are still getting this error, you may consider contacting Instagram support. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.